Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be silk pressing or flat ironing my hair, and I want to share with you all my routine. This routine is my weekly routine. I am a straight hair natural, and I want to share everything that I do to keep my hair healthy and growing while heat styling every single week. A good wash day routine is honestly the number one step, but for today, I'm just going to be focusing on the press and straightening process. So my hair is freshly washed, and I did let my hair air dry just a little bit before I started this process. So I am adding in my heat protectant. For my heat protectant, I use a leave-in conditioner. I actually use the Matrix 20 Miracle Creator. So this is like an all-in-one leave-in conditioner. It says that it has 20 benefits to it. I know that it is a good leave-in for nourishment. It also detangles, protects from the heat, adds moisture to your hair. It does a lot of good benefits for your hair, and that's one major thing that's helped me with my silk presses and heat styling every week while still keeping my hair healthy and growing. The major thing for me is the products that I use. I want to make sure that all of the products that I use not only help my hair look better, but that they also nourish my hair. So I really take my time making sure that that heat protectant and leave-in conditioner is all the way throughout my hair before I start to even blow dry. I really take my time brushing each strand with the product through my hair, and then I'll start to blow dry. So blow drying is actually pretty standard. I use this round brush blow dryer honestly because I broke my other one, so I don't feel like there's any added benefit to using the round brush blow dryer. Honestly, I think it is about the same. It's not as hot as my last blow dryer, but it works all in the same. The only tip that I have for blow drying is to make sure that you blow dry your hair in the direction that you want it to go and get it as straight as possible. A good blow dry is like the base of a good press. So I like to take my time and make sure that I get my hair as straight as I can. However, blow drying your hair can get really hot and I start to sweat. So I do have to take breaks in between. So I'll do an initial blow dry of my entire head just to get the hair dry. And then I'll have to take a break, let my scalp kind of dry down and cool off, and then I'll blow dry my head completely again to make sure that it is as straight as possible before I start to flat iron. So you can kind of see it here. My hair, the actual like strands are pretty straight, but the top of my hair near the roots, they're still puffing up because I was getting hot here and sweating, starting to sweat. So I did end up taking a break after this, and then I'll come back around and get everything as straight as possible. I did not add any more of my heat protectant when I come around for the second go. I'm actually not going to add any more heat protectant at all. I only add it on damp hair. So once my hair is dry, I don't add any products until I have already pressed my hair out. Then I'll add like a serum to lock everything in. But taking small sections as well does definitely help me. I get tired really easily, especially when it comes to the blow dry. So like my arms start to get tired. And like I said, I'll start sweating. So doing smaller sections really helps for me to get the desired look that I'm going for. Now that I've blow dried my hair for the second time and I am completely cooled off, I'm ready to start flat ironing. I sectioned my hair off by working my way up. I don't always do that. Sometimes I'll do the 4 parts or 2 parts, but today I just decided to do it this way. Whichever way works easiest for you and allows you to get a good grip on your hair best is definitely the way to go. So when I press my hair out, I like to do the comb and chase method. I also like to make sure that I am holding my hair really taut and firmly to get it as straight as possible. And if a strand of hair is not getting straight enough, I'll definitely start to use even smaller sections than I was before. I feel like I have about like medium-sized sections, but I have a lot of pressure on my flat iron, and I actually don't like my presses to be super flat. I do like a little bit of body and texture to my hair when I flat iron it. So I am just doing one pass on each section that I take, and I am using my Babyliss Pro flat iron. I got it from Ulta, and I have it set on the second highest setting. And again, I'm just doing one pass using a lot of tension, pressure, and I am moving the flat iron pretty slowly down my sections.
Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? Go ahead. Loving. Go ahead. Loving. Go ahead. Go ahead. Shawty curious. Get serious. Go ahead. Loving yourself. Hey, shawty's what I'm here for. Go ahead. Oh, loving yourself. Numb. Grab me till I'm about to come.
So the last step of my routine is adding some type of silkening serum. I like to use the Kenra silkening gloss, but I definitely will use any type of silkening serum that I find. There are really a lot of options, some higher end and some cheaper. And then I'll add in some oil sheen just because I like my hair really shiny. And before bed, I do wrap my hair every night with a silk scarf. So to keep your hair healthy while being a straight hair natural, you want to make sure that you're using quality products, wrapping your hair at night. And even though I use heat every week, I do not use heat every single day. So after this original style here, I will try my hardest not to use any heat. And if I do, I keep it at a bare minimum, like just at the edges or the very top of my head. You can try to use flexi rods if you want to add curls, or add curls now and then pin curl at night to keep the curls until the next week. But definitely minimal heat after you do your original heat style. But that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.